Welcome everyone. It's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I have the card kit reveal and inspiration for our latest kit, Joyful Season. You're really going to love this kit. It is full of everything you need for your Christmas cards. And I'm going to start you off with the Joyful Season 6x8 stamp set. This set features some of Christina Werner's beautiful handwriting and also some vintage type imagery with that classic feel of Christmas. Towards the bottom, there is a nice large border stamp, and it has a mixture of all the greens and flowers. In the center here, we have images that are great for insides of your cards. So you have messages for the outside, inside, and also to decorate and color. Another fun exclusive that we've included for this kit is called the Candy Cane Heart Die Set, and it has your outline, your inside, and also some strings. I've cut one out and I'll show you how this works. So it's a two-piece for the candy cane, so you have your solid piece for the back and then lines, and then also these little hanging pieces so you can suspend this from the top of a card, and you can adjust those to however you want. The papers for this kit come from Simple Stories, and this is from their Vintage North Pole collection. And these are 6x8s, and they are double-sided, so you have a nice bold print on the front and then a great pattern for the back. They are definitely classic Christmas, and you have your hollies and your stripes. There are also some large pieces that you can do a mixed media project or even frame some of these. You can even cut these up for a slimline card. The colors are a mix of your classic reds and greens plus a beautiful blue that you can mix together. There are really nice fine patterns. I love this sheet the most. I think I could make a card out of just cutting that up. And also on the back there's a cute green with some trees and hillsides. The 6x8 format really allows you to make two cards out of one sheet, so some of these backgrounds can definitely be cut up. There's also some classic candy canes on the back. This tree I could see being cut out and mounted and made into a mixed media project. And then there's this great stripe on the back. I think it would be a great idea to combine those vintage feel of those stamps and do some embossing on some of these papers for a really classy feel. Another great idea for this paper size would be to make some envelope liners. You can just create a pattern by sliding some paper right into your envelopes. I love these sort of cards that you can cut up and you can mount them onto a card. So you have like 4 or 8 pieces that you can cut up and make additional cards or tags. Another fun item that we've included are some Cardabella Dear Santa ephemera, and there are 33 pieces in here. You have messages, you also have little tiny tags. There are also some larger tags. These would be super fun to collage together and create a card where you have different layers of different elements. To continue with that classy Christmas feel, we are also including the Tim Holtz Ideology Christmas Velvet Trims. There are 5 colors of the ribbon for you, and they're about a yard each, so you get 5 yards of that beautiful ribbon. We're also including a bottle of the Ranger Glossy Accents to use as your glue. You're going to get 3 envelopes from Simon Says Stamp, and I'm going to start off with our classic white. You'll also get metallic schoolhouse red and also metallic khaki. And these all have that no lick 'em to stick 'em, and it has that peel away adhesive. We have 4 cardstocks for you in this kit. So you're going to get 2 of the 80-pound Nina White. You're also going to get Midnight Green and Lipstick Red. And if that wasn't enough, we are also including some of the Tim Holtz new Rustic Wilderness. This is the full-size pad that I'm showing you. You will receive an exclusive cube size for this kit. These won't be available in the store until February, so you're going to have them in your hot little hands ahead of everybody else. So that concludes the contents of this beautiful card kit, Joyful Season for December 2020. Up next, I have some inspiration from our designers using the products from this kit. I'm going to start off with Callie Person, who used that candy cane heart die, and she suspended 3 of those with some holly in the center and then a message on top. Cindy Norberg used some of those cut-up sheets, and she created a little booklet for the front of her card and used some of the ribbon and background papers to decorate. Heather Rue used the candy canes and cut them out so that they are crisscross, and she also created a gatefold card type opening. Susie Plantamera cut the Santa from one of those larger pieces. She stamped a greeting and also some mistletoe, and candy canes, and created a message at the top. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration for our card kit joyful season. Be sure to check our blog post for additional inspiration and also our galleries. And as always, thanks so much for watching.